Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we have a brand new 2024 Subaru Ascent, and I'm going to show you how to remove the front fascia. So in order for us to remove the front fascia off the Subaru Ascent, we have to get all the push pins out from the top, from the bottom, and there's actually some on the sides as well. So let me show you how to get that done. So to get these push pins up, and just pry these up, and you can take them out. You have a little pry tool. Prop this up. Take it out. So now that we got the 6 push pins on top, we can actually take out 2 of these, one on each side. And that's in the corner. So lift it up and pull it out. Lift it up and pull it out. All right, so now we're going to remove all the push pins that are holding the bottom across the whole front lip. So there's one more push pin on each side where the fender meets the bumper. So it's actually here and it's pointing up. See, take that out. And this allows us to separate the bumper from the fender. Then you just kind of pull on it to unclip all these clips. So same thing like on the driver's side. And just get a prying tool and take it out. Now with this removed, we can pull on the bumper and unclip this whole side. So just a quick summary, we removed 8 push pins on top, 9 push pins on the bottom, and 1 on each side around the fender. So now let's go ahead and unclip. We already started on the edges, so we can work our way towards the center. There it is. And this is how you remove the front fascia off of a 2024 Subaru Ascent. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something. And please follow us when we're installing a light bar behind the grille.